So question, what happened to the corner that the West Indies team supposed to turn? Them turn, but them turn back. Or it's only an ODI corner and not a T20 corner. But seriously, where is the Trini posse now? Ian Bishop and Darren Ganga and even Dwayne Bravo, who were all celebrating the return of Phil Simmons and Karen Pollard as the setters, and were raising their voices in singing the corner turning song. But then they know that the West Indies lose the T20 series to Afghanistan. Them gone silent. But look, anybody who knows anything about cricket knows that no one coach or one captain can barge into the West Indies setup and things improve immediately and significantly. That is naivety and myopia of the highest order. These people are just blinded by the hate for Dave Cameron. So West Indies beat Afghanistan in an ODI series, and we are the corner turn. And thanks to Philly and Polly, we can see the difference in the team and blah, blah, blah. What difference? Can you humble yourself and accept the fact that the road back for West Indies cricket, if there is such a road, it will be a long, rocky, and winding road, which will involve many coaches and many cricket West Indies board presidents. And most importantly, it will require a totally different generation of players.